It is the first day of the semester. Good luck to everybody. It's very possible that when you go on Canvas today that you are seeing some classes that are finished and you're not seeing all of the classes that you need to see for this semester. Wanted to show you how to clean up your Canvas dashboard. So we're looking at my dashboard right now. Notice here's my account. Here's the dashboard. This is what I see. If I click on courses right here, and I scroll down until I see all courses and click on that, it will show me every course that I've ever taught, observed, or taken, okay? So the things that you want to see, you want to star, you want to fill in the star. So as I unstar these classes, they will disappear from my dashboard. As I click on the stars, they will reappear. So notice this is a fall class. We don't need to see anything for the fall. Those are finished. So if there's a star there and you're seeing math from fall and math from spring, you can unstar the one from fall. It'll disappear. So let's just scroll down. Fall, fall, fall. Nope. But I do want to see the spring course. And I want to see the spring course. So I'm going to click on the star. This is spring for anatomy. I don't need fall. I do need spring. You see how that works? And then you don't even have to click save. You just go back to your dashboard and you should be able to see the changes. The things that you took away should disappear and the things that you added should be there. Okay? I'm hoping everyone has a wonderful semester.